Looking for a newer home with lots of space, a large lot and no HOA? You are in luck. Welcome to this open, bright and spacious home sitting on a 0.4-acre corner lot on a quiet cul-de-sac. Great floor plan with an open flow and a bonus sunroom. Beautiful hardwood floors in the dining room, foyer and den. Cozy kitchen with 42 birch cabinets, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Massive primary bedroom featuring a dream walk-in closet with custom shelving. Large primary bathroom with a walk-in shower and a jetted tub. Buy with peace of mind, as the sellers have done pre-listing home/termite inspections and completed repairs for you. Quiet, highly desirable neighborhood in Western Branch, conveniently located close to I-664. Make an appointment for your own private tour today.